today? My name is Jay Danberg, sales consultant here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. We are staying in front of the all-new Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This is a 2020 model. Just came in. We just offloaded it, and we're going to do a quick feature and benefit walkthrough. First thing I want to notice you is the beautiful hull color. This is the light blue hull color with matching underneath the hardtop. It has the silver pinstripe with chrome graphics. Alright, today we're going to look at a couple of the benefits of this Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. First thing is the windlass anchor. Windlass anchors are super important when you are fishing, and then also just enjoying the family at an island. If you catch that big fish, I want you to notice the in-deck fish box. Tons of storage there. Nice console seat. Can double as a cooler or another fish box. Another very nice feature and benefit of the Boston Whaler 250 Outrage is the full glass windshield here. You also have a hydraulic vent that will allow a nice little breeze to come through. Check out the helm here. Beautiful helm, fully enclosed with the glass there. Phenomenal Mercury digital throttles, super smooth. Great stereo system always from Boston Whaler with the Fusion, the JL speakers. Very comfortable helm seats. Fold down bolsters. For a 25-foot boat, the fish boxes on both sides here are way overbuilt. I don't think you'll find a bigger fish box on a 25-foot center console. And then if you are fishing, you just fold this nice seat up here, just like so. Now you got ample room to do your fishing. All right, the last thing I want to show you on the all-new Boston Whaler 2020 250 Outrage are these beautiful white Mercury 200s. These are naturally aspirated, great torque, great hull shot, and great overall top speed. Again, that concludes the walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 2020 250 Outrage. If you'd like to get more information, come by and see us, or you can call me here at the store. Thank you.